Can I go? Your scanner.
What kind of dictionary do you want?
I want English Indonesia.
What amount? This one
You are right. My I see it.
yes, exactly. That you are.
Thank you very much.
That's alright.
Can I go? Hi.
You are dictionary.
What kind of scanner do you want?
I want English Indonesian.
Why? I moment. This one you meant.
You are right. My eyes see it.
Yes, generally. Here you are.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, alright.